Restoring the temples is one of my favorite things to do. It creates a seamless transition and cohesiveness to the facial lines. Additionally, I like to use Bellafill above the brows. It provides a natural and soft lift that is immediately impactful. As you can see, the procedure is painless and does not take a long time. In this video, I am maneuvering around threads, so it is a little bit more challenging, but nonetheless still a very pleasant procedure. This is a satisfying, natural, elegant area of the face for rejuvenation. Bellafill is my product of choice for the temples. Enjoy and have a great day.